Hello everyone, this is dinner tonight. Yummy french fries, fish sticks, like fish, they taste like fish, very good, crunchy. And then a beef sandwich, very yummy. See the beef sandwich, very yummy and beef. So this is Arby's. This is what dinner tonight. My mom and dad got the same thing. She got some french fries and fish because she can't eat bread or certain meat because of the grease. Certain foods she can't eat, but she could eat the french fries a little bit. And then this is my dinner tonight. So this is Arby's, and then for side, uh, Burger King tacos. Very yummy. See, yummy. So this is my dinner tonight, guys. Most of my day was clean around the house, do things for mom and dad because it was raining off and on. It was raining heavy most of the day, most of the morning, but our garden, our plants got watered, so that's good. I don't have to worry about watering it until maybe tomorrow or Saturday. Yeah, so that's my dinner. And to Emmy, lovely Australia, I hope you have a safe day off. How are you feeling? I just hope you're okay. Been very worried about you always thinking of you. Miss you very much. I just hope you're gonna be okay. You just take good care of yourself and be safe always. And to all my Filipino friends and family, have a good evening and night. For some of you, have a beautiful morning. Happy Thursday, happy Friday. Have a great weekend ahead. Enjoy your rest of your summer. So that's my dinner, guys. That's everything. And like I said, most of my day was just clean around, take care of things, do this, do that, things like that. So that's my dinner tonight. Yankees have a day off today. Um, yeah, Yankees have a day off today, so we don't play. We play a 3 or 4 game set against the St. Louis Cardinals tomorrow. It starts tomorrow. We have a series against those guys, so hopefully we'll play much better. And then preseason starts soon, but I don't care about preseason. I'll wait till the regular season starts. All ready to cheer on the Alabama Crimson Tide and New England Patriots. And see, look at the squirrels are out there and birds. See, there's a bird over there, and there's one over here. See, and there's a squirrel. See, see, and then you could catch them over there. See, they're eating. See, and then the birds are over here. Oh, there's another one. See, yeah. So I try to catch these. See, little squirrels and birds. Where are you guys? There you are. See? They're all underneath. See? Wow. There's a lot of these guys. See? Oh. See? Yeah, so it was raining all day and all morning and most of everywhere else. Just trying to get some of the birds because they're flying everywhere. So I hope everybody has a nice have a nice weekend. Enjoy your Friday. Have a nice morning. Yeah. So today was a weird day for weather. It looked like it never rained out here. There's another bird. See, coming everywhere. Yeah, it looked like it never rained today. There's more on the rooftop. See. Oh, you could see them flying across, and the squirrel just hanging around. See, they're everywhere over there. See? They're all leaving. Where'd you guys go? Yeah, so this is what I enjoy. I mean, it's been a nice summer. I hope everybody's having a good summer. Hopefully things are getting better wherever you're at. I do hope so. Yeah, mom and dad are feeling a little bit much better today. I do get worried because they're much older. They're both 60 years old, 60 some years old. I won't say the age, but they're both the same age. Just a little bit apart. My brother's feeling much better. I don't know if he's in the hospital still, but Hopefully he'll make a speedy recover. Like I said, this is his second time testing. You know what? Testing positive. Not good. Not good at all. See, hello bird. There's a squirrel. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. What are you up to? See? Usually they're not scared. The birdies. See? Look at them. Just having. See? Yeah, but to Emmy, I miss you so much. I hope you're doing well. I just hope your family's okay. I hope your daughter and son are okay. I hope all your family's okay and well and safe and sound in the Philippines. See all the birds? Hello, birdies. Yeah, so I wanted to get this. I know I showed you my dinner, what I'm having for dinner, but I know usually these guys don't stay this close. They're so hungry, so they're not paying attention if the camera's on. Well, there they go. Well, take care, everyone, and be safe. There they go. And bye bye, everyone, to Emmy Australia. Miss you very much, and be careful. Have a safe day off. Have a good, safe morning. Bye bye, everyone. Oh, I'll give it a little time for the squirrel. See? Squirrel took all the peanuts. See? I'm going to give it a little bit more peanuts. So take care, everyone. Be safe. Be careful. Have a safe weekend. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy the rest of your summer. I hope everything's getting better wherever you're at in today's world. Hopefully, things are opening up slowly. Hopefully, you're enjoying your activities, what you did before everything happened. Hopefully, everything is slowly opening. Hopefully, this thing is disappearing for good because what's going on, you know what I'm talking about. Hopefully, things are getting better out there for everyone. Always be careful and use your judgment and your common sense. So take care, everyone, and be careful. Oh. See, they're still here. So take care, everyone. Be careful. To Emmy, miss you very much, and happy Friday, everyone. Bye bye.